here's a quick tip for when you're designing your Lone Star. This is the magic mirror from Marti Michell. It's the most fabulous thing. I've had mine for years, and I use it for a lot of different things, but I think that the Lone Star is where I notice the biggest difference. You take this mirror, and it opens up. So it's two sides of a mirror. Here is the grid, the 4x4 grid that I put those little diamonds on before. Now when I take that mirror and I line it up on the diamond, I can see what it's going to look like. It's really, really helpful when you're trying to decide the color placements of the star. It's also helpful when your pieces are already cut. So I've got my pieces cut now, and now I'm going to lay them down into the design. And this little tip is going to sound silly, but honestly, I just don't know how else to describe it. If you look at one of these diamonds, a diamond has a skinny point and a fat point. For this, you're going to line them up so the fat points line up together. And once you have them laid down where you think you like them, now's the time that you can again take your mirror and see if you like what you're looking at.